How to change clip properties in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your DaVinci Resolve project and select the clip you want to change the properties for in the timeline. To adjust basic clip properties like position, scale, rotation, and opacity, go to the inspector panel on the right side of the screen. If you don't see it, click the inspector button at the top right corner. Here you can move your clip around by changing the position values, zoom in or out by adjusting the zoom slider, and rotating the clip by setting the rotation angle. Next, if you want to change the clip speed or add a reverse effect, right-click the clip in the timeline and select Change Clip Speed. In this menu, you can increase or decrease the playback speed, check the reverse speed option to play the clip backward, or even create a freeze frame by enabling the freeze frame checkbox. For more advanced clip adjustment, such as cropping or adding keyframes to animate properties, you can find cropping options under the inspector, where you can trim edges of your clip from all sides. To animate properties like position or zoom over time, click the diamond icon next to each property in the inspector to add keyframes. Then move the playhead and change the values to create a smooth motion. If you want to change the clip's color properties, switch to the color tab. Here you can apply corrections or creative color grades that will affect the clip globally. Using the color wheels, curves, or other color tools, you can fine-tune the look of your clip to match your vision. Finally, remember to save your project regularly to keep all your properties in the safe and prevent losing any work. And that's it. Now you know how to change clip properties in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.